Chewing cloves after age 30 can have many benefits for your health and well-being. Here are 10 short hidden secrets of this simple habit. It can lower your blood sugar levels and improve your insulin sensitivity, thanks to the essential oil eugenol in cloves 1. It can fight against bacteria and infections, especially in your mouth and throat, due to its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. It can enhance your mood and brain function, as clove oil can inhibit the enzymes that break down neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. It can protect your liver and kidneys from damage caused by toxins and free radicals, as cloves are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It can prevent or treat ulcers and gastritis, as clove oil can inhibit the growth of H. pylori, a bacterium that causes stomach inflammation and ulcers. It can relieve acidity and indigestion, as cloves can increase saliva production, stimulate peristalsis, and soothe the gut lining. It can strengthen your gums and teeth, as cloves can reduce inflammation, pain, and bleeding in the oral cavity. It can boost your immunity and prevent colds and flu, as cloves can stimulate the production of white blood cells and act as a natural expectorant. It can improve your sleep quality and prevent insomnia, as cloves can relax your nerves and muscles and induce a sense of calmness.